Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve the 369 puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Lawrence Chen from Creative Workshop. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10, and the goal of the puzzle is to open the box. This is a 3D printed puzzle and it is extremely well made puzzle. The printing is a very high quality. The name of the puzzle, 369, is quite weird, but it can be simply explained. This puzzle is 3 centimeters thick, 6 centimeters tall, and 9 centimeters wide. So 369 are just measurements of the puzzle box. Very simple and funny. This puzzle box has 29 pieces of different size magnets inside, so it is not recommended for children under the age of 15. And if you are not planning to swallow any of the magnetic parts, you are free to buy this puzzle and try to solve it. And if you already have this puzzle and you don't know how to solve it, keep watching the video since I will show you the solution. If you like the 369 puzzle, you can buy it at puzzlemaster.ca. And now I'll show you how to solve the puzzle. We will start with this piece number 6. You can easily remove it since it is held just by 4 magnets, and if you flip it you will find 4 more magnets here and 3 more magnets here. The next step is quite interesting. This puzzle has a couple of parts inside that are locking the rest of the parts, and I will start with number 9. It doesn't matter, you can start from number 3. If you put magnet here, it says up. It's just a hint on a box. If you put it here and then move it up, you will hear that something is moving, some kind of a magnet. And it will release a magnet that holds the 9 piece. There are another 2 magnets on this part. Then you flip it and do exactly the same with number 3. You remove it and you will find a couple of more magnets here. And inside you will see that there are 2 green pins. They were holding these parts. The pin was going through the opening and it was holding the piece. Now, quite interesting part. What you have to do here is to place the number 3 and number 9 in a different way now. But wait a second, I have to find where there are more magnets inside. There are magnets inside of the box, and there is a strong magnet on piece number 6. You can use it to search for other magnets inside of the box. You can hear something is moving on this side. That's a magnet, and there is another one on the other side. There are no magnets on this side, so they are somewhere here on the bottom, and you can hear how they move. So now what we have to do is to grab piece number 9 and stick it in the opening for piece number 3. But to do that, you have to release that magnet, that green magnet on top. And now you can put piece number 9 in and do exactly the same with piece number 3. And then I just put the 6 inside, but something isn't really working well. Yeah, done, finally. So I don't know what was wrong, but for some reason not all the magnets were released properly. Maybe they didn't go all the way out and were still holding the lid. Now the most difficult part, you have to assemble everything back together. As you can see, there are 2 more red magnets here. One on this side, one on the other side. If you remove the 6 piece, they will drop out, but we don't want to do that. There are blue and green magnets here, so I have to put the green one back on top, and the blue magnets go all the way down to the bottom. But the assembling of this puzzle is much more difficult, since when you do something, the magnets, the plastic pins with magnets inside, they always try to escape from the places where they are. So now when I put everything inside, I have to make sure that the green magnets don't block the way. That is quite difficult, and I just tilted the box a little bit. The blue magnets already fell out. So, as I mentioned, quite a difficult puzzle to assemble back. Okay, I think that I will remove the green parts now, put the blue ones inside, and once you solve the puzzle, there is a happy emoji face on the bottom that welcomes you. So now the green piece goes here. I don't want to put it all the way in so that I don't block this small compartment. This one goes here. And now if everything goes well, I can stick all the parts in, but as you can see already, one of the magnets went out and blocked the opening. So now I'll try it again, quickly put it inside. Some of them went in, that's okay. Now I can deal with this one, and I can put the number 6 inside, and the puzzle is locked again, finally. So quite tricky when you put all parts inside. You can actually start by putting the middle part in and then at the 3 and 9, but I was trying to do it in one motion to look the entire puzzle. That was the solution of the 369 puzzle. If you like it and you want to try some other great puzzles made by Creative Workshop, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.